Hello, I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn animal jumps together step by step. Different animals jump different distances. We'll use a number line to skip count and compare how far each one travels. On a number line, equal jumps are skip counting. Jumping by 3 lands you on 3, 6, 9, 12, the multiples of 3. Repeated equal jumps are multiplication. 4 jumps of 5 lands you at 4 times 5, 20. If a frog makes 6 jumps of 4 units each, it travels 6 times 4, 24 units. To recap, equal jumps are skip counting. Multiply the number of jumps by their size for the total, and the number line helps compare distances. Well done! Great work! Keep learning with Vidya and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.